Welcome to our video exploring 15 rare Linux distributions. We'll be diving deep into the frontiers of open source innovation and experimentation. Beyond popular distributions like Ubuntu and Fedora, there's a massive Linux ecosystem with over 1,000 active distributions. Many rare distros feature an experimental nature, pushing the boundaries of security, performance, and file systems. NixOS is a unique distribution that treats the operating system as code. It uses a single .nix file for configuration, allows for atomic rollbacks, and offers reproducibility to deploy the exact same system on any hardware. Bedrock Linux is known as a meta-distro, offering ecosystem fusion by running components from multiple distributions simultaneously on a single kernel. This provides package freedom and is an expert tool for power users. Qubes OS focuses on ultimate isolation by using the Zen hypervisor to run applications in separate virtual machines or app VMs. This ensures safety even if a browser is infected and is preferred by security-conscious users like Edward Snowden. Tails is designed for absolute anonymity, acting as a digital ghost. It routes every packet through the Tor network by default, runs entirely from RAM for amnesic use, and is portable for booting from a USB on any computer. We now look at the lightweight giants, Alpine Linux and Puppy Linux. Alpine is a gold standard for Docker containers due to its tiny 5 MB footprint. Puppy Linux loads entirely into RAM, reviving old hardware with a modern desktop experience. Comparing performance versus simplicity, we have Clear Linux, developed by Intel for maximum performance on modern hardware. Void Linux is an independent distro known for its simplicity, using the lightning-fast runit init system instead of systemd. The experimental frontier includes Tiny Core Linux, which is just 16 megabytes and provides a bare minimum GUI, allowing users to build from scratch. Redux OS is not a Linux clone, but an OS written entirely in Rust, focusing on memory safety and a microkernel architecture. Pushing UX boundaries are Nitrux, Farron OS, and Gobo Linux. Nitrux uses modern KDE Plasma and app images, avoiding traditional package managers. Farron OS provides a refined desktop for Windows/Mac users. Gobo Linux uses a unique file system where each program has its own directory for high readability. This comparison matrix highlights the unique factors and ideal use cases for some of the distributions we've discussed, such as NixOS for DevOps, Tails for anonymity, and Void for minimalist desktops. The Linux ecosystem is a testament to open source innovation. Thank you for your time. You can explore more at linux.org. Here are the image sources used in this video.